So today we're going to be making my favorite soup of all time, seafood okra. First up, you want to start by frying a whole onion in palm oil. Next, you're going to add a pepper blend mixture, which I will list in the description box below. Next, you're going to add some crayfish. You mix that together and let them fry together for a few minutes. Next, we're going to start integrating the seafood ingredients we're using today. The idea behind this is you want to start with the ingredients and the seafood products that take the longest to cook. So I used some stockfish, dry fish, and then the crab claws. And then you just put that together and let it cook for a few minutes, and then you can add your shaki. There are different types of shaki, whatever one you prefer. You can use cow skin in this step as well. And then I used tilapia fish. I just used 3 pieces. You put that in. This doesn't take long to cook, so at some point I'm going to be taking that out. Alright, so this has been cooking for about 5 minutes. It's time to season with simple ingredients. I used 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of Knorr chicken seasoning cube, and 1 tablespoon of Maggi crayfish seasoning cube. So you just mix that together, and after doing that, I'm gonna take out all the tilapia pieces and set aside. Last but not the least is the large size shrimps. I love these so much. You can choose to use jumbo prawns, you can use any type of shrimp, or even any type of fish that you want, to be honest. These only take about a minute or 2 to cook, so they're the last thing you want to add to the mixture. And finally, we're going to add the okra pieces. This is how I like mine sliced, because I actually like to see the pieces and chew on the pieces. So people prefer to blend, but this is how I prefer to have mine done. I also do not leave it on the heat for too long, because I like to have that green color still green at the end. So I just add some water and cover it to cook for about 2 minutes and take it off the heat, and that is it, guys. Very, very easy. Now that has cooked for about 2 minutes, we are going to add the tilapia pieces back in and mix that together, and that is pretty much it, guys. Now you have the tastiest seafood okra right in front of you. If you were looking for a sign, this is the sign that you needed. Get in that kitchen and make this amazing meal. It's honestly so good. If you do not like seafood okra, you're honestly bad vibes. Just kidding. Yeah, so this was really fun. I really enjoyed making this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good one, guys. Until next time.